In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 expenses all rich people avoid. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Number 5. Don't try to impress your date with your money. Showing off by spending is an inadequate foundation to start a relationship. Regarding relationships, self-made millionaires recognize that genuine connections can't be bought. Flashing your cash on extravagant dates might seem impressive initially, but it's an unsustainable and shallow approach to building a meaningful relationship. Focus on getting to know your date and finding shared interests, leading to a more solid and lasting bond. Save your money for more essential investments, like your future together. Look for a life partner and business partner, not someone who likes you to spend money on them. Live in a place that fits your needs for space, not to impress people. Residing in a sizable lavish home may make you feel like $1 million, but it's essential to consider whether the space genuinely suits your needs. Self-made millionaires understand that a more modest dwelling can still be comfortable and inviting without the hefty price tag. By prioritizing functionality and personal requirements over size and location, you can save a significant amount on housing expenses and invest that money in more fruitful ventures. Number 4. Money-wasting habits that are keeping you broke. Expensive clothes, watches, and name brands accessories are more to impress others than for personal enjoyment. Buying designer clothes, fancy watches, and other high-end accessories is tempting to show off your success. However, if you buy them on credit, you aren't wealthy, you are cosplaying. Self-made millionaires know that overspending on these items is more about impressing others than personal enjoyment. Instead, focus on building a wardrobe of quality, timeless pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. This approach will save money and ensure your style reflects your true self. Number 3. Don't eat your money. Dining out and expensive restaurants are a terrible waste of money if you can't afford it. While it's enjoyable to occasionally treat yourself to a fancy meal, dining out frequently can put a massive dent in your wallet. Wealthy people understand that home-cooked meals are often healthier, more affordable, and just as delicious. Developing your culinary skills and enjoying meals at home with loved ones is a more sustainable approach to dining, allowing you to save money and create cherished memories. Number 2. Don't spend all your money trying to keep up with the Joneses. The Joneses are broke. Attempting to match or surpass the lifestyle of others is a common pitfall that can lead to financial ruin. Wealthy individuals recognize that keeping up with the Jones is a losing battle, as there will always be someone with more material possessions. Instead, focus on defining and pursuing your goals, leading to a more fulfilling and financially stable life. Drive a car you can afford. Having a fancy car might seem like a status symbol, but rich people know investing their money elsewhere is wiser. Luxury cars not only depreciate rapidly, but they also come with high maintenance costs. Self-made millionaires often opt for reliable, fuel-efficient cars that meet their needs without breaking the bank. So, instead of splurging on an expensive new car, consider choosing a more practical option to save you money in the long run. You can convert the money you save to investment. Number 1. Don't spend all your money on your impulses. Practice mindful spending. Impulsive spending can quickly drain your bank account and leave you wondering where all your hard-earned money went. Self-made millionaires know this and practice mindful spending, making intentional choices about where their money goes. They resist the temptation to make spur-of-the-moment purchases that provide short-term gratification but have little lasting value. To avoid impulsive spending, create a budget that outlines your essential expenses and allocates funds for discretionary spending. This will help you prioritize your needs and wants and use your money wisely. Self-control is the most essential part of any budget. Additionally, when you feel the urge to make an unplanned purchase, take a moment to consider whether it's essential or if it's just a fleeting desire. Waiting 24 hours before deciding can help you avoid impulse buys and keep your financial goals on track. By practicing mindful spending and resisting impulsive purchases, you'll be able to save more money and invest in experiences or assets that bring long-term value and happiness to your life. That's it for this video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as leaving a like before you go. Thanks for watching.